Hello. What we're looking at here is a sunsetter awning. It is, I don't remember the designation, the XLT model. It is the model that is completely electric. Sorry about the wiggling. It's completely electric. It's got lights. It's got a sensor that will retract in a heavy wind. Now, about that, this area, we're right on the river, and this area, this is kind of an unusual day because it's not blowing 15 to 20 miles an hour. We have a good solid wind that comes through here. And I couldn't even imagine this thing getting caught by the wind and literally going right up or getting crushed down. So what I did was I cut in to the concrete and put flush recessed some hooks, and up here on this I put some eye bolts. Then I made these are spinnaker clips, stainless steel poles, and the same spinnaker clip down there. So you can literally just unclip it when it retracts back. Now we do retract it with the poles attached. It's certainly strong enough for that. But if you like your sunsetter and you don't feel that it's sturdy enough in a wind, this is an option. Also, from Sunsetter, I bought 2 of these and I use them as our bird feeder holders. And when you retract back up to the wall, they will sit flush and the birds will still utilize them. So that is my, I had to take this off. I had to take the sunsetter sensor off because it turned out that even a little wind, a little shaking would set it off and have it retracting. And what you really don't want is it retracting when both of these poles are attached. Then it's trying to break itself. So if you have any questions, let me know. I can probably give you links to all the places that I use to make these. So there you go.